Today we'll do area related to circles part 2 and we have our first question with us. So in this question we are given OACB is a quadrant and O is the center of circle, radius is 3.5 centimeter, OD is 2 centimeter and we need to find ACBD. So first of all, this is 90 degree because OACB is a quadrant and area of quadrant OACB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. We know theta is 90 degree and pi is 22 upon 7 and r is 3.5 whole square. And solving this, we will get 9.625 centimeter square. Secondly, we need to calculate the area of triangle OBD. We know area of triangle is half into base and here OB is the base into height and height is OD. So we will put the values. OB is 3.5 because it is the radius and OD we are given in the question, it is 2 centimeter. So solving this we will get 3.5 centimeter square and we know that if we want to calculate the area of shaded region, we will get 9.625, that is area of quadrant OACB minus 3.5, that is area of triangle OBD, and solving this we'll get 6.125 centimeter square. Now in this question we have the figure given, okay, and in this we have to find the area of shaded region. So this is our shaded region. Okay, so in this what we will do, these are the 4 semicircles that are given to us. We'll join them by a dotted line. Okay, so to calculate the area of shaded region, we'll do area of square minus area of these 4 small semicircles minus the area of this middle square. Okay, so first of all we need to calculate the area of 4 semicircles. We need to know the radius. The side of the bigger square is given as 14 centimeter, okay, and this is given as 3 centimeter. This is also 3, this is also 3 and this is also 3. Now to calculate r, what we will do, we'll take the radius of semicircle to be r centimeter. Now we know r plus r plus r, which means this r, like this r and this r, then we have this r and this r. So this is equal to 14 minus 3 centimeter minus 3 centimeter. So we have 4r is equal to 8 and r is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we have got R, and the side of square becomes 4 centimeter. Area of this square is, area of square, we know it is side into side, that is 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter square. And the area of 4 semicircles is, we know area of a semicircle is half into pi, and in the question it was mentioned that we have to take 3.14 as pi, so half into pi into r was 2, so r square is 4. And since we need to calculate the area of 4 semicircles, we'll multiply it by 4, and calculating this we get 25.12 centimeter square. So now we'll get the area of shaded region by finding the area of square ABCD minus area of small square minus area of 4 semicircles. Okay, so area of bigger square is 14 into 14, that is 196. Area of a small square is 16, and area of 4 semicircles is 25.12, and that makes it 154.88 centimeter square, and this is our answer. Now in this question we are given 4 circular cardboard pieces, and as we can see in the figure, each of them is of radii 7 centimeter, and we need to calculate the area of portion enclosed between these pieces, that is the area that is left between these pieces. Now we know that the area of shaded area can be calculated by calculating the area of square ABCD and then deducting the area of these 4 circles. So first of all we are going to calculate the area of circle. Area of circle is, we know, pi r square. There is no mentioning of pi to be taken as 3.14, so we can take it as 22 by 7, and r we are given 7 square, that is 49, and since we need to calculate the area of 4 circles, we'll multiply it by 4, and then we'll get the answer as 616 centimeter square. Now if we see that the diameter of a circle would be 14 centimeter, diameter of one circle is 14 centimeter, and if we look at the length of AB, then it is comprised of 2 full circles, which makes the side of AB as 14 plus 14 centimeter, and that is 28 centimeter is the side of a square. Now we get the side of square and we need to calculate the area. So area of square ABCD is 28 into 28, that is 784 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is equal to 784 minus 616, and that is 168 centimeter square. I'd recommend all of you to practice these questions once to ensure better clarity of the concepts. You will get these type of questions for sure in your examination. Now this is the question and we have the figure in front of us. We know that in order to calculate the area of shaded region, first of all I would like to tell that here we are given 3 semicircles and their diameter is 3, which means radius is 1.5 centimeter each, and there is a big circle given of diameter 4.5. So again radius is 4.5 divided by 2. Okay, and then we are given a semicircle of radius 4.5 centimeter, that is this semicircle they are talking about. This semicircle they are talking about, this is of radius 4.5 centimeter. Now to calculate the area of shaded region, first of all we need to calculate the area of the first this semicircle, and third this circle. So firstly, in order to calculate the area of shaded region, first of all we will calculate the area of semicircle having diameter 4.5 centimeter. Area of semicircle जिसमें हमें क्या दिया है, अच्छा इसमें हमें रेडियस 4.5 सेंटीमीटर दिए, तो रेडियस इज 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. वी नो द एरिया इज हाफ पाई आर स्क्वायर, सो इट मेक्स इट हाफ 22/7 into 4.5 whole square. This makes it 891 upon 28 centimeter square. Next we have the area of circle, which has area of circle जिसमें हमें डायमीटर क्या दिया है 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर, पाई इज 22/7, diameter is 4.5, radius is 4.5/2 and square it. So this we have 891 upon 56 centimeter square. Next we need to find the area of two semicircles. Area of two semicircles which have diameter as 3 centimeter. So area of one semicircle is half pi r square. So into 2 to calculate the area of two semicircles. This goes off 22/7. Radius will be 3/2 whole square. That makes it 99/14 centimeter square. Now to calculate area of shaded region, if you go on the previous slide where I had drawn the figure, we'll need area of semicircle which has diameter is equal to 3 centimeter. Yes, so here the circle which was below the semicircle, that the small circle, the colored part, I'm talking about this semicircle. So we had the figure, right, and we had a semicircle like this. So I'm talking about that semicircle in which whose area we need to take, and then we have area of semicircle which has radius as 4.5 centimeter. That is the bigger semicircle. Then we'll subtract the area of two semicircles. Area of two semicircles which had the diameter of 3 centimeter, and then we'll deduct the area of big circle which had radius of 4.5, which had diameter of 4.5 centimeter. ठीक है, so area of semicircle came out to be 99 by 28. Then we had area of bigger semicircle, that is 891 upon 28. Then we had area of circle, this big circle, that was 891 upon 56. And then we have area of two semicircles, that was 99 by 14. And calculating this, we get 12.375 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. So here we have this question with us, in which we are given 4 small semicircles of equal radii. And the first small semicircle is AGP, then BHC, then CID and DKE. All have equal radii. And then we are given 2 big semicircles, AFC and CJE, and they have radius of 42 centimeter, which means the small semicircle will have radius of equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find area of shaded region. So first of all, we'll have to subtract the area of AGB from the area of semicircle AFC, and then add the area of semicircle BHC. Similarly, we will subtract the area of semicircle DKE from the area of semicircle CJE, and then add the area of CID, because it is also the shaded region. So let us begin with it. Area of semicircle AFC, which has radius is equal to 42 centimeter, is pi r square, half pi r square, which makes it half into 22 by 7 into 42 whole square. ठीक है, and we have 2 such semicircles. We have another semicircle as CJE, so we'll multiply 2. So this is our required area. Now calculate the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle AGB, half pi r square, where half into 22 upon 7 and r square is 21 square. ठीक है, and we'll subtract this area from the previous area which we got, and we'll add the area of semicircle BHC, and we will get our required area. Follow the same procedure for the other semicircle also. Okay, and then the final answer I'm writing here would be 5544 centimeters square. I'd recommend all of you to solve this type of question and match the final answer, because children do make calculation mistakes in such type of questions. This is all for today. There are some important questions left which we'll be discussing in my next video, so stay updated.